Hi guys, how you doing? It's your favorite electrician, joao. So today I'm gonna show you guys how my doorbell works. We have 120 volts coming in, going to the transformer. The transformer transformed into a low voltage, around 16 volts. And for the transformer, I wired it to the chime. So from the chime, I have wires going into separate buttons. As you can see, it works properly. When you press the front one, it makes 2 sounds, and when you press the back one, it makes only 1 sound. So I hope you guys learned something today. Thank you for listening. Have a great night.